Let us learn time and days in Japanese in a practical way. Time is
時間
1,
1、
2,
2、
3,
3、
4,
4、
or
4、
5,
5、
6,
6、
7,
7、
or
7、
8,
8、
9,
9、
or
9、
10,
10、
11,
11、
12.
12、
Reminders. 4 is
4、
or,
4、
so 4 o'clock is.
4時、
Take away n in yawn. 7 is nana or,
7、
so 7 o'clock is.
7時、
9 is
9、
or.
9、
Lastly, 9 o'clock is.
9時、
For 11 to 19. 10 always comes first. Example.
10足す5イコール15。
For counting 20s. Example.
3足す10イコール30。
Hachi in minutes read as ha. To say hachi is acceptable, but that's how the Japanese usually do it.
9足す10足す18イコール9時18分。
And now the half minutes, which is 30, it is read as hang. Like this.
7足す10足す30イコール7時半。
Let us read more samples.
11時10分。4時17分。3時半。12時。7時20分。
As for the definition in time, like AM, it is put before the time. So AM is
午前。午前。
PM.
午後。午後。
Midnight.
夜中。夜中。
As for the hours, you just say the number of hour, add chicken, like 2 hours is.
2時間。2時間。
Days of the week in Japanese. Let's start with Sunday.
日曜日。日曜日。
Monday.
月曜日。月曜日。
Tuesday.
火曜日。火曜日。
Wednesday.
水曜日。水曜日。
Thursday.
木曜日。木曜日。
Friday.
金曜日。金曜日。
Saturday.
土曜日。土曜日。
As for the months, just put the number of the month and add gatsu. Like this example, it's easy. For January. 1足す月イコール1月. But when you are to say the counts of months like 5 months, you just have to say the number of the month and add ka plus getsu. Like this example. 5足す 日、月イコール5ヶ月。
以上で、このビデオを見てくれてありがとうございます。